Okay, so we're back on that jumper wire again. And one thing I've definitely confirmed with it, what it can do for sure, the button, the up and down and fast and whatnot, I think that comes stock with the radio actually. So kind of ignore what I was saying about that, but it is a keypad trick nonetheless. But with that jumper wire in, screen's 130 kilohertz. That's as low as radio will tune with that jumper wire installed. Doesn't matter what mode you're in. Alright. Makes no difference. I've tried turn radio off. I tried like a multiple different combinations of keypad tricks with this thing. Nothing makes the LCD go below 130 kilohertz. That's it. With the wire installed. So I can confirm is changing the band limit for the long wave. With it uninstalled, the radio can actually get down to 50 kilohertz. So I'll just turn the radio off. Do a reset here. Right. So right now the radio is just doing kilohertz. Hit fast. Up, down. Then we'll bring it right down. And that's it. 130 kilohertz. Now, I'll hit fast. You can change your megahertz. Release your fast, and she change your kilohertz. Now that seems to be stock, so that's pretty normal. The digit is back though. That's got me a bit bit confused. If the jumper is actually allowing digit or that digit or removing that digit, but it's definitely the band limit is definitely changing on this. So right now that wire is in. Okay, it's in. So now I'm going to remove the wire. We'll reset the radio again. And we'll see if she goes to 50 kilohertz versus 130. Because as you see, if I reset the radio, just like that, I bring her down there and I tune her down. That's it. So we'll do this same thing again with the wire removed.